Hi everybody, this is Janet D, the PT. As a licensed physical therapist, I love working with seniors to problem solve life. So today's video is going to be life hacks for laundry. Okay, you ready? Number one, okay, you might have to change your laundry soap. Okay, the days of having the largest pack of detergent is in the past. Okay, there are so many options on the market. Okay, you can go for pods, you could go for a smaller size of laundry detergent. Okay, something that's easier to lift. There's also where you can do sheets. Okay, sheets of laundry detergent. Okay, not just a bounce that goes in the dryer. Okay, there's actually biodegradable sheets that you can put in to clean your laundry. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is actually doing smaller loads where you feel like you can handle that amount of laundry successfully. Okay, we don't need laundry sitting around for days on end, right? Okay, number three is a really trusty reacher, a grabber. Okay, now the importance of the grabber in the laundry room is actually to get items, okay, that we can't reach for ourselves in the laundry, okay, in the washing machine. But also it could help us in the dryer to get the stuff that's in the back, right? All right. And another way to help us in the laundry room, especially if you're using a walker, okay, let the walker help you. Okay, you can, instead of having your clothes in a typical laundry basket, okay, let's move smarter, okay, and not harder. Sometimes I have my ladies or my guys put their clean clothes in a lightweight bag, okay, and then they can put it on their walker in order to walk to whatever room to put that laundry away. Okay, now there's other ways of doing this too, where if you don't like doing the bags, fold the stuff, sit at the dryer, okay, fold out your towels, okay, put your towels on the walker, go put them away. Okay, I love this idea because as a physical therapist, any way that I can get you up and walking, getting your steps in, it just helps us out in the longer run. All right, if you really like this video, go ahead and press like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors. Janet D, the PT.